What is up, guys? How's this going? It's your boy Eddie P coming back with a little different style video than I normally do. Not a sneaker or custom recreation video. This time I'm gonna be doing a review, showing you guys a shoe that I just got recently, today actually. So let me grab it for you. It is, as you guys can see, the Nike Air Zoom Down Rock N7. This is a shoe that I've been really wanting for a long time. It released 2 years ago. Didn't get it back then, but I finally got it. It just came in the mail today. I'll show you the shoe first, and then we'll talk a little bit about it. You guys can see. Give you a look at the upper. You see the pattern in the swoosh. You see the N7 in the tongue. Another pattern on the tongue. The outside. You guys can see that mesh knit right around the ankle. And then my favorite part of the shoe is the outsole. It's just a super awesome design. I really love this outsole. I know I'm gonna wear these a lot, so hopefully I don't mess up this design too much. But that's probably my favorite feature about this shoe. So just going piece by piece. First off, this is a N7 shoe. If you guys don't know about N7, it's Nike's program or foundation to help underprivileged Native American and Aboriginal communities. So they do a lot of Native American influenced designs and patterns on their colorways, which I love. Obviously, it's a great foundation and a great idea. You guys can go check out the website. I'll leave it in the description. This shoe was actually helped designed. Tinker designed this. Tinker Hatfield, a famous Nike designer, but Taboo from Black Eyed Peas actually helped design this shoe, which is really awesome. A few little things you guys might not have seen. You see that bear paw or claw made into the back of the heel. Just a really cool feature. And then you have a wraparound arrow. My lighting is not the best, but this little radial, you can see it has the arrow on it right there. I don't know if you guys can see because my lighting is pretty bad in this room. Just so many cool features. I'll show you guys the insole. You can see the N7 there with the pattern all around. The tongue, crazy. It's kind of got like a glossy material on the patterned tongue, the same as the swoosh. And then all that nice black suede upper. It's a really beautiful shoe, in my opinion. Obviously, I wouldn't play any sports in this shoe. This is more like a lifestyle shoe. But that's what it was designed for. Super comfortable already. Especially this knit upper. It's a really cool feature. I like that they didn't just all put suede everywhere. And I don't know if you guys can see inside, but super padded. So comfortable in there, moving your foot around. As well as the sole is pretty padded as well. Any shoe with air, is going to be pretty comfortable. Just a great shoe, in my opinion. Obviously, I love it for the Native American aspects. That means a lot to me. It's a great idea to use that. I hope to get some more N7 shoes in the future, but this is the first one in my collection. Just a great shoe. Definitely go pick this up if you guys can. It's pretty cheap right now. A couple of sites. I got mine from Hibbett Sports for a pretty good price. I think it was around $60, $70 or so. I think it retailed for $100 when it released. So it's definitely dropped down a bit, but just a great shoe to have overall, and definitely one I'm glad to have in my collection. That'll be it for this video. I'm gonna plan on doing some more like shoe review type videos, not just the customization or recreation videos that I normally do where I'm on Nike website. But let me know in the comments any other type of videos you want. I might try to do some unboxings. I have a bunch of other shoes. I got a big collection, not a big collection, but I'm starting a big collection, so I'll try to keep you guys updated every time I get a new pair. But that's it for this video. I'm Eddie P. Peace, and I'll see you in the next one.